Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Before we begin, let me clarify that as of my last update in January 2022, AWS Lambda functions do not directly support triggers like delete triggers. However, I'll provide an example of using Lambda in response to a delete operation in Amazon S3. If you have a different use case, please provide more details so I can tailor the tutorial accordingly. In this example, we'll create an AWS Lambda function in Python that gets triggered whenever an object is deleted from an S3 bucket. We'll use the AWS SDK for Python, also known as Bot03, to interact with AWS services. AWS Account: ensure you have an AWS account and appropriate IAM, identity and access management, permissions to create Lambda functions, S3 buckets, and set up triggers. AWS CLI: install the AWS CLI on your local machine and configure it with your AWS credentials. Let's start by creating a Lambda function. Create an S3 bucket and upload some test objects. Now, deploy the Lambda function by running the following command in the terminal. Replace your function name with the actual name you gave to your Lambda function. Delete an object from your S3 bucket, and check the Lambda function's CloudWatch logs for the output. This example demonstrates a Lambda function triggered by an S3 event, which includes object deletion. Depending on your use case, you might need to adjust the trigger or the AWS service involved. ChatGPT.